still remain. Dust holds the stories of pain, names whispered by the wind at night. Tears fall quietly in the light. The ground remembers every cry. Dreams that never learn to fly. We march for peace with broken hearts, carrying memories torn apart. Cambodia needs peace to heal, to make the silence suffer real. Empty homes, unfinished songs, waiting for where they belong. The past still knocks on every door, asking us to forget no more. We march for peace, though shadows stay. Hope in light will find its way from the sorrow softly spoken. Peace is born where hearts are broken. We walk where the scars still remain. Dust holds the stories of pain, names whispered by